My strawberries are blooming and she have lots of fruits now. Ayan. Looking forward to harvest my strawberry. Look at the gardener's hand. Ayan, this is all the strawberries that come back since 2 years ago. Ayan, some don't survive. And some in here. Oh, and they're blooming too. And see the fruity. Oh no, thanks for watching. Love Nancy sharing to you my strawberry patch. Ayan. They are sweet and lovely. Look. Oh, so sweet. Thanks for watching. Love Nancy. Sending hugs to all of you from Baker's family. Yan, ang ganda.